I'm at the Microsoft event where they just announced a slew of new products, including the Surface Laptop 2 right behind me. That starts at $999. A lot more powerful than the previous Surface 2 laptop. But we also have the Surface Pro 6. That's right, they've gone back to numbering products. I am wearing the new Surface headphones. Okay, so here's what you got to know about the Surface headphones. They connect to your Windows PC, or the host, as they say, and that's how they get access to Cortana. But they are listening, voice-activated headphones. There are actually a total of 8 microphones inside of here, 4 for noise cancellation and 4 for beamforming listening, so you don't have to yell to get the headphones to hear you. Also note, you've got the 2 dials, these 2 rings right here. One is to adjust noise cancellation and the other is to adjust volume.
But it's like dialing in.